Hi guys, welcome. So if you want to grow a thicker, fuller, long hair, try this recipe. You're not going to regret it. It's just few ingredients and I hope you try it. So love, this is my hair after 1 year of braiding my hair on mini braids. As I said earlier on, it's just two ingredients, so I'm going to be using rosemary. Rosemary is the first ingredient to be using. Rosemary has amazing benefit that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. Okay, using this consistently is going to help you to improve your hair. So the next one I'm going to be using is this Chebe powder. Okay, this is originated from Chad. This is the powder that most women in Chad use to grow their hair and prevent hair loss. So we're going to be needing a clean jar just like so, and I'm going to be adding in all my ingredients. So if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients or amazing hair growth teas that's going to help you to promote your hair. So for the proportion, I'm using a teaspoon for each of these ingredients. All right, I always do smaller batch of teas on my hair because maximum I use these teas on my hair is 7 days, 5 to 7 days, okay, depending on how I store my tea. For storage, I store my teas in the fridge. If there's consistent light, it can stay up to 7 days, but if there's no consistent light, maximum 5 days. After putting my hot water, I'm going to be using this cling film to this foil to trap in all the heat and make sure it infuses better. So after this, I'm going to leave this for 8 hours, and after 8 hours I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after 8 hours. It's time for us to strain and use this on my hair. So love, the next thing I'm going to be using is MSM powder. If you're an OG in the channel, you know I love using MSM powder on my hair growth teas. Okay, so I'm just going to be adding a little bit of MSM powder. I'm just eyeballing the MSM powder, but if you want to get an accurate measurement, you use 1/4 or 1/8 teaspoon. Yes, so I mix everything together and time for me to transfer it in my spray bottle. So the tea is ready and it's time for me to lose my hair. I always leave my hair either in these two plaited braid like this, or I'll just pack it one. All right, so if you can see there, I have two different kind of hair pattern. The back one is when I braided the hair earlier on, and the front one was when I rebraided it because I did a weaving in front. So I now have to lose the weaving because it got old and rebraid it to mini braids like this. So that is why you can see there are two different growths on my hair, because the front is recent and the back is almost 2 months. Yeah, so I'm just going to spray this all over my hair, and we'll move to the next thing. Anytime you put a hairspray tea on your hair, always make sure you fall in with your leave-in condition to trap the tea. Okay, so that is what I'll be doing after I have sprayed it generously on my hair. This tea is going to help you to promote hair growth. It's going to help you to stop your hair loss. I always use my tea on my hair and my daughter's hair, and her hair has been doing so good. Like the stylist that always braid her hair is always smiling each time she comes to braid her hair. She will be like, oh my goodness, your hair is always great each time you are rebraiding it. I say yes. She will always ask me what do I use on her hair. I will tell her that is the DIY I always use on my hair that I use on my daughter's hair. So let me know if you're going to be trying this recipe. Just two ingredients, which is Chebe powder and rosemary. So this is the leave-in condition I'll be using, and after that I'll move into my next routine. One thing I've learned about my growing out my hair is patient and consistent, being consistent in your routine. Okay, so that is what I have been doing, trying to be patient with my hair and being consistent with the routine I do. And now I do less. Before I do more, but now I've tried to do less, and doing less for me, it works because I'm seeing a lot of difference when I do less on my hair. The little you do, the more growth you see. So I'm just going to apply my butter. Okay, so this duru growth, and after that I will fall in with my shea butter. Yes, shea butter. That's what I'll be doing then before I go in with massaging. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Don't forget the ends of your hair. Those are the most important parts of your hair. So the ends of my hair right now are very, very healthy, which when your ends of your hair is healthy, you will not have all these knots and you will not have all this breakage. Okay. So guys, I've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're going to be trying this. Try this on your hair and you will see amazing results. I'm just checking out the roots of my hair to see how the growth we have. Like, my hair is really growing generously, and I'm so happy that I am on this mini braids challenge. All right, love, if you've not seen mini braids challenge, try it and you will see amazing results. I have old videos of my 6 months, of my 1 year growth, and you will know that this has really helped me to grow my natural hair. Fussy hair can grow. People say your fussy hair cannot grow. Now lie, your fussy hair can grow. You can grow your natural hair very well and very beautiful. So love, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.